Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. We'll get started in a few minutes. I need to go through Twitter and then we'll go through Discord. YouTube. Hello, 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 hello. Can you guys hear me all right? Let me just make sure everything's good. Okay, cool, yeah. Everything's good. What up, what up, what up? Just gonna go through some Twitter stuff and then we will get started. Right, let me see. Tiger got a one player, STOVX. Nice, 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 nice. All right, let's see. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Hello, hello from X. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone. ONMD. Nothing on ONMD, guys. This is a trade. It's a very simple trade. Zoom out of the chart and identify what's going on, right? You can see it just going up and down, up and down. Here, every time it gets to this level, it rejects. Therefore, if it breaks above 181, then you can consider entries. If you are going to try and enter the trade now, you might as well go to the casino and go and gamble, because right here is a no-go. Do not trade here. Wait for this above 181. Clean range. If you break above 181, you have room to 217. Don't try and take the trade now. There's no need to take the trade. Just patience, patience, patience. If you are in it, your stop loss needs to be below 150. That's how I would trade it, simply. But no reason to be getting it now. Just chill out, chill out, chill out. Just chill. Go through some other tickers now. Friday today, guys. Market's going to be very, very slow with long weekend as well. So keep that in mind. Rightio. Good morning, GWAV. GWAV is very nice. GWAV is good. I gave it to you guys literally way down here. So things up like 8%, 9%. So well done if you guys got in from there. Just a very easy trade. You just got to trust it. Larger time frame, it takes time, right? Yes, I posted about 3 hours ago. So you had about basically 3 hours to get in the trade. Make a quick 8% or whatever it was. And now let's see if it continues. If it breaks above 0.1, then you have continuation to the upside. Who knows what will happen with this play? I don't know what will happen, but according to technicals, it should continue to run, but the market is very slow. Right, it is Friday, long weekend. We do not expect much to happen today, but what I think will happen is there's going to be about 2 or 3 runners at open. Focus on those and take your money and run. Don't be trading all day on this kind of Friday. Personally wouldn't. Should I hold Zcar? If you're down more than 7%, cut the trade. You're in at what? 0.29. Yeah, I would have been out years ago. You need to learn risk management, brother. You need to learn risk management. Make it very easy for yourself. You can easily make your own risk management strategy. Something that I do is I have a max 3% stop loss when I get into a trade, 5% first target. Every single trade I get in. Pre-market, I adjust it. However, do not hold for down. If you're down 20, 30%, then you are going to be bag holding and leave it. Get out. If you got in at 0.29, which was here, you are currently down 40%. I would be out long time ago. Cut the play and focus on the movers. So, yeah. Hello. Yo, guys. Yo, yo, yo. I don't even like YouTube videos, but I'm gonna like Tiger's lives. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Can you guys like up the stream? I'd greatly appreciate it. I was so stressed. I nearly threw my... FFIE. FFIE looks right at resistance. This is not a good entry. I know someone's gonna ask me, do I buy? Do I buy? No, no, no. Look what is happening, guys. Every time it gets to this level, rejection, 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 and rejection. If the candle closes above and holds, then it's going to retest and then push to the upside. Just wait for 135 break above. If it closes above that, then you can look for an entry. Do not try and enter now because you're gambling, 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 gambling. ASTI. ASTI is down 20%. Nothing on this. It's at support. Maybe we can edit this and put a demand zone here. Can use this level here actually. So here are your levels. So this is your demand zone. It's kind of a bit light. I would use this actually. So here is your demand zone for this. At the moment, you can see what? Downtrend. Therefore bearish, therefore no reason to enter. But it is pulling back into demand zone, so maybe you could look for possible entries. But on a Friday, guys, you do not want to be holding over the weekend. Anything can happen, especially these high volume plays. Yes, you can. They can run over the whatever news there might be. There might be a fact that it will run on Monday or whenever. But yeah, nothing on these. Nothing. Maybe a falling wedge, possibly. So yeah, in demand zone here, maybe you could possibly take an entry, but I personally would just avoid it for now. Just focus on the movers. What plays are moving, focus on them. It's only going to be 2 or 3. LIDR, this is an interesting chart. LIDR, yeah, this is a weird one. I'm not really a fan of it at the moment. Looking at the current trend, yeah, nothing on this for me. I don't know. I just look at what's going on with the stock right now. It's down 14% yesterday. It's not really doing anything now. Here's your support. If it breaks above $3, then maybe you can look for entries. It has room all the way up to 350. But right now it is ranging. I wouldn't take anything here personally. Unless it breaks above 3. Breaks above 3. Kraken. Here's Kraken. Kraken I expect to break out soon. Falling wedge, demand zone, found an area of support. Price should break to the upside. ONMD, I've posted ONMD like 20 times, but here is the chart. Save it, screenshot it, put it on your forehead. Here it is. Ranging, no entry. Above 181, you can take the trade. Right now, just chill out. Chill out. Relax. Calma. Kraken, GWAV, Kraken. Yeah, I've gone over Kraken. Kraken, I expect to break out. Hollow, I don't know. I really don't like Hollow. I think it's an absolute pump and dump. I think it's trash. I don't think it's good at all. It never holds its gains. It never runs. It doesn't do anything. It is setting up for a breakout, but overall, the stock isn't in a good position for me personally. I don't know. I don't trust it enough. Lucy, it's possible. I don't like this kind of chart, but 0.3 is your resistance level. But this kind of choppy chart doesn't look great for me personally. I've really gone to trade in the past 2 weeks. I've learned a lot from you and Zelmi during that time. Patience, foundations, when taken now. Exactly, that's right. I don't know who Zelmi is. When it's up 5%. No, guys, I'll make it very simple and easy for you how I trade. Whatever I enter at, my first target's 5%. If I buy 100 shares, okay, when I'm up 5%, I will sell 50 shares. I will move my stop loss up to my entry. If the stock keeps going up and I'm up 10, 20%, I will scale out and maybe sell another 20 shares and then the other 20 shares, right? Whatever, whenever I'm happy, there's no best time to sell the best percentage. There's no best way, okay? But I trade realistically. I know that when I enter my trades, they run at least to 5%. If it keeps going, that's fantastic. If it runs 20, 30%, great, I'm happy. All I'll do is when it hits my first target at 5%, move my stop loss up simply to my entry. If I've already sold my 50%, then what I do is if the stock comes down to my entry, I lose. I don't even lose on the last 50 because it's at my entry, a break even. So I make 50% on my trade and then that's it, right? So I do not hold for 20, 30% moves, 50, 100% moves. That's why when people ask me those stupid questions, what's your PT? I do not hold for PTs. Whatever my entry is, I sell 50% at 5%. If it moves up, great. AKTS, nothing on AKTS. Oh no, AKTS, wrong stock, sorry. AKTS, I don't know. You be the judge on this AKTS. Nothing on AKTS for me. You can use this area as your demand zone, like this. Maybe you could wait for it to pull back to around this level, but at the moment, nothing on AKTS. You can see it's still in a downtrend. If you're trying to enter, simply just wait for the trend line to break, means go above the line. So if you can break above that, great. Like up the stream, guys. Like it up. HLTH. Right, HLTH. I like this setup. I gave it in the Discord as well, which was nice. Pretty much green on every single trade we took pre-mark. I missed 2 trades that I gave on in the Discord this morning, but members got in, which was nice. In demand zone looks good. Might be reversing here. Stop loss would be below demand zone if you're trying to enter. AGFY, let me have a look. AGFY. HFY, nothing on this, unfortunately. Low volume, put support here. Currently bearish. Yeah, I don't like this kind of setup. Nothing on it. Down 2% yesterday and then 3% today. Swin. Yeah, Swin was here. I deleted it because it ran off news and then came all the way down. Swin, nothing, guys. Look, 84% down yesterday and down 6% again today. I'm not even going to bother looking at this play. You guys should know better for that one. SOUN, I don't know. This one's a weird one, but when this does run, it runs consistently. So right now, we are in a downtrend. It's pulling back into this demand zone around here. So yeah, this is your level. Maybe falling wedge. Possibly setting up here for a falling wedge. So I try and make everything as bullish as I can, but this is pretty clear. Pulling into demand zone looks good. Maybe Monday it'll start moving. Hey man, nice stream. Check Peggy. Yeah, I have Peggy on my watch list today, but it's down 17%. It's in a falling wedge still though. So look here, it's still a valid setup. Let me just remove these down here. You can move this to this demand zone around here. Last red candles before the push to the upside. Peggy's just going to run with GWAV and all of them, FFIE and so on. So right now, there is no setup on this. I mean, if you want to, safe entries would be rather around 0.185, around there. Demand zone. It's expected to break out. All of them, you'll see, look, GWAV, right? GWAV already broke out. Kraken is ready to break out. This is setting up the same thing, and FFI is probably around the same setup as well. So that's how it is. Thanks for charting and teaching us. No problem, Brian. No problem, no problem. When should we enter GWAV? Well, I gave GWAV about 3 hours ago when pre-market opened, and I mentioned I will see you guys at 7 a.m. Eastern, which was around here. So if you did enter around there, your entry was here. I think it was around here, and it ran like 15%. Now trying to enter is a lot more difficult. So for me, maybe if it retests back in demand zone, like 0.85 cents around here, or if it breaks above 10 cents, that's what I would wait for. So either if it retests this trend line here, 0.85, or 8.5 cents, or 10 cents, that's kind of what you could do. Or just draw the trend line like this. If it breaks the trend line, you could look for an entry. It breaks above here, then maybe you could enter. Thoughts on Zenvia? Zenvia. I don't know Zenvia, unfortunately. Swin, I just went over Swin. VHAI, guys, save this one. I get asked this a lot, this one. Nothing on this, nothing, absolutely nothing. This is a channel down pattern, meaning price should break out. It's going down and then up and then down and then should break out to the upside. That is your VHAI setup. BSFC, I think this has a high short float. That's why it's running. Did it have a reverse split or something? I'm assuming it did. This one is very difficult to chart, but it's easy when you know how to. So you just identify support. Resistance is, we could say maybe around here, 331. So if it breaks about 331, you have around clean range to here and then to here. These are your levels. Nothing on it yet. No volume for me personally. You think OMD will hit 1.8? I don't know. I would only be interested to buy it if it only breaks 1.8. So I would not even be considering anything right now on OMD. The way that it traded yesterday was extremely bullish. It was fantastic. There is a high probability it can continue. However, trying to trade in something like this, a range, is a very, very high risk. That is why I personally don't enter here. If it breaks above this resistance, high probability it will go to 217. Nothing inside here. This is no trade range. That's how I look at it. CXAI, I posted this one, just posted on my Twitter. You can have a look at it. I've already gone over this. Nothing on this at the moment. You have just pretty much a channel down pattern on that. Peggy, I've just gone over Peggy already. Peggy's here. You have a falling wedge. Expected to break out of it on Peggy. CYTO, interested in thoughts. I have it on my watch list. It's right here. I'm expecting it to break out. Nice setup. Falling wedge, low volume, but I expect this one to break out. You guys can see my charts are a lot, very, very similar, right? Most of the time it has a falling wedge and a demand zone. If I have those two, it gives me a very high probability setup where the price is more likely to go up than go down, right? That is it. VHI. Curious on the 5% gain. If I only get 100 shares, it's not really earning, no, like a coffee money. It's all relative, percentage relative, bro. So 5% gain is, if you just think about it realistically, if you can make 1% a day on your account, that is my goal every single day. So if I have $100 on my account, $1,000, $1 million, 100,000, whatever it is, 1% on my account a day is 5% a week, 20% a month. If you can consistently make 20% a month, you can go to the Bahamas and go and trade on your boat. That is what you can do. Hedge funds are making around 7 to 11% a year on accounts. Yes, they have hundreds of millions of dollars. However, percentage is still the same. If you have a $10,000 account and you're making 20% a month on it, so $2,000 a month, that is a fantastic, fantastic achievement. Do not compare yourself to anyone else. If you want to do this long term, to be consistent, you need to aim for consistent and realistic targets. Yes, it sucks if you have $100 in your account and you're only making $10. Yes, it sucks. But guess what? You are making a consistent amount of money and you could just chill out. And when you get more confident, obviously you can increase size and those kind of things. So yeah, don't look at it as coffee money or whatever, right? So make it very easy for yourself. Just think about it realistically. What are the chances, okay, if you can consistently think about this. I know not all of us have $100,000, but if you have $100,000 in your account and you are making 1% a day, that is $1,000 a day, making $5,000 a week, $20,000 a month. That is conservative. That is only if you achieve 1% a day. Imagine you're making 3-4% a day, right? Don't want to go into those figures because it's not really realistic to keep making 3%. That is why I stick with 1%, right? So that is how I would look at it. VHI, what do you think? Yeah, I just talked about. Please tweet. Still, I can't listen to the stream. All right, yeah, I will do. I'm just sharing charts. I'll do it once I am free. Last one, TUP. TUP, I don't know about TUP. TUP, same thing. Ranging. Nothing. Low volume. If it breaks above 215, that is where you can look for the entry. Do not try and enter now. Do not. Please do not try and get in now. CEI. CEI is just pretty much consolidating on this trend line. Nothing really on this, unfortunately. BRSH. I can't remember about this one. I think I just... Yeah, same thing with this. Nothing. People ask me about this chart every day. Save this one, please. Save it. Above 0.17, you can look for entries. Do not try and buy now. No. Should we get into TIRX? Well, let's see. Nope. Why are you not going to get in? Because you're right by resistance. You're currently in a downtrend. If you want to enter, wait for the downtrend to break, meaning if its stock breaks above this. It can be down here at 388. If it keeps going down, it can be up here at 415. Copy this trend line on the 5-minute and you can wait for the break above. Higher probability will continue to go up. Don't try and buy a stock that is in a downtrend because there's a high probability it will go down. BCAN, I don't know. This one's very disappointing. It's literally at $1. So maybe this is going to be a big move off this level. But right now in a demand zone, $1 psychological level. Green candle, strong one of wicks, looks good. High probability it will probably push off this level. SMFL. Let me have a look here. SMFL, nothing. Same with the thing with this. Ranging. Look, up, down, nothing. If it breaks above 420, high probability will go to 525. That's simple. Yo, what up, Hattie, bro? Yeah, guys, hit the like button. Like. We got our most views this stream. I think we're on 120 likes. We have 50 likes and we have 120 people in here. Come on, guys, we can easily do this. So get to at least 70, 80. Let's see. Lol, Tiger, so funny. I just want a bag of chips. How do you tell when to fake out? Sam, I think we have a Hassie. I don't know. I'm hoping Hassie's here, but oh yeah, yes. Hassie, do we have a video on fake outs? I think we do, or I think it's just in the Discord. But easy way to do it is, look, draw a resistance. Look here. This is how you can determine a fake out. See this? This was previous resistance, okay? Now you can see that is a fake out is when you get a strong top wick at a resistance level. Okay, so here, This is not a breakout because the candle, you have to wait for a candle, right? The candle to close above. So if the candle did this, look here. Let me find an example. Look, this is confirmation of a breakout. Here, look. So what do we identify here? We identify that every time it gets to this level, 435, a rejection. A rejection is a strong wick. Okay? Oh, it's in Discord. Okay. I'm just trying to explain it here quickly. Look, top wick down, right? Still nothing. If the candle closes above, right? Yeah, exactly. If it does not close above this resistance, it is a fake out. So look here, rejection, closed above, retested, and then bang. This candle here and this candle here was your confirmation of a breakout. So look, rejection, break above, retest, and then bang, right? So you need to close above a resistance. That is it. Hit the like, Akin. I really liked Akin actually. Where is it? Akin. Guys, there's a lot of you guys joining the Discord. Please be patient. Just Hassie will send you a message, or myself. We will send you a message on how to follow the Discord. There's a starter package. Just follow it. Very easy to follow. So just check your DMs, Discord DMs. Also add us as a friend because there's a lot of fake ones. So once you're in the Discord, add us as a friend. Right now, Akin is nothing. It's pretty much pulling back, but I do like this setup. Up 125%. So let's see. Here we go. Hit the like button. Exactly. How many are we on here? Let's see. Come on, guys. 67. We can get to at least 100 likes. Let's go. Yeah, all the guys. Can you add a caption to translate to Arabic? Yeah, I need to find out how to do that. I'll have a look at that one, bro. I'll have a look. Have you hit on FFI yet? No, actually, I don't think I went over it, but yeah. Oh no, I did. Here, 135, break above, then you can enter. Nothing now. Look, this is what I'm talking about here with resistance. Look, here is a fake out. Here is a fake out. Here is a fake out. Fake out because look, wick rejection. If the candle closes above, right? If the candle does this, if it closes above like that, okay, then there is a higher probability that the stock will go up. If the candle does that, that is a fake out. You need it to close above, right? The candle needs to close above. That it confirms that there is a breakout, then a retest, and then pushes up. AGBA, yeah, I don't know. AGBAs are still trash. I don't know what I'm saying. It's in still demand zone. Ooh, it's up. Looks good. Maybe this could be a good swing to hold over the weekend, to be honest. I really like this. Pretty much a double bottom as well. So you could do this. Look, so here you can do this. So double bottom is a bullish reversal pattern. So this is a high probability setup to push to the upside. Right, so here, if you go onto Google and type in double bottom, this is exactly what you will see. This means that price should continue to, well, not continue, it should reverse off this level and push to the upside. So right now you can see that it is hit this level here, and now there is a probability that it will go up. So AGBA is double bottom reversal. This looks very good. I'm going to keep this on watch into next week. Keep this on watch as well, guys. Maybe you could take some for the weekend, to be honest. I know the market might sell off, but the fact that this is holding this level is very, very good. I'm going to actually get this one on watch list. AGBA. Purple. Okay, right here. Okay, cool. Guys, I'll go through it. I'll do Twitter later. NCPL. NCPL is... yeah, it's okay right now. Look, where is the resistance? Where is the likelihood that the stock will reject? Around here, right? So we know now that if the stock breaks above this level, there is a high probability it will continue to go up. So right now you need to wait for this level to break. So break above this level. Needs 0.3338. So here, NCPL needs break above 0.3338. If you break above that level, there is a high probability you'll go up. So right now you just have to wait. When I draw a chart like this, okay, it means that you do not enter here. If it breaks above that purple line, then you can look for an entry. How can I learn charts? Pretty much in the Discord, or you can just follow me on Twitter, myself and Hassie. We both chart pretty much the same way. Just try and keep the charts very clean and easy. So you'll see consistently how we do it. And from there, you'll understand. Sold all Akin. No worries, bro. Buru. I don't like Buru. I don't know why people are going on about the stock. It's being pumped all over Twitter. I don't like it at all. Nothing unless 0.25. Really? Yeah, nothing on this for me. I don't know. Pump and dump. Has Peggy dropped below major support? No, Peggy's here. Peggy's in a falling wedge. Here. I updated the chart. So it's in a demand zone coming down. Expected to break out of this. That's what we think. GWAV is here. Yeah, hit the like button, guys. GWAV's coming down. So look here, GWAV, what it's doing is now is, this is my prediction. We've broken out of it, okay, which is resistance. Remember, resistance. Now, retest. Hopefully, pushes up. Remember what happened to FFI yesterday? It ran it open, right? If the candle closes above, in which time frame? It doesn't matter. If you have the 1 minute, 5 minute, 20 minute, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever it is. But if you have, okay, if you have a 1 minute chart or a 5 minute chart, or let's say a 1 minute chart compared to a daily chart, there is a big difference. The larger the time frame, okay, the more confirmation. So if you're going to confirm a break on a 1 minute as opposed to a 20 minute chart, it is a lot higher risk going on the 1 minute. So I use 5 minute because it works well for day trading. That's why I'm not holding a play overnight or anything crazy. FFIE. FFIE is right here. It needs to break above 135. That's all. I'm sure you covered GWAV already. Yeah, I just went over GWAV. How did your swing do? SoFi's still in it. It's pretty much like it's near-ish my stop loss, but I have a couple other setups as well. The ones that I gave, there was two that I was going to give, which were these two. Well, it was ENVX and Hood. Then the next day, well, I chose SoFi out of all of them, and the other two already hit first target. I actually have it like posted on my. Well, I've saved it already, but I chose SoFi out of all of them. But next week I'm posting in the next one. But yeah, SoFi is the only one still in here. This is SoFi. Look, because the weekly, it's still a very good setup. Look, the weekly, it's still in a falling wedge. So that's why I like it. See this? It's right here. So we'll see. We will see what it does. CCG. Guys, I'll be here for 5 more minutes and then I'm going to head into Discord. CCG's up 20%. Did this have news or something? What was the news on this? Let me have a look. CCG schedule first quarter earnings. Yeah, good earnings, but overall the trend is extremely bearish. Look at that. No bueno, not good for me personally, but I don't know, maybe above 210, 210-ish. Thoughts on MGRX? Guys, like up the stream. Free to do so. Free. MGRX. 5 minute chart. Low volume, but all you can do is just mark the trend. Currently bearish. If the candle closes above this trend line, I would say 0.5. You could be good to go. How do you decide resistance levels? It's pretty much just going onto charts and practicing a lot. But if you want to understand how to do it, go onto the YouTube channel. Guys, also subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have all the videos are there. Every video that we do. Support resistance. Hassie has done the whole playlist. Okay, this is the playlist here. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to tag it in the post so you guys can follow this playlist. Please go and watch it. Like it, comment, subscribe, all those kind of things on them. So here it is. This is the playlist for beginners. For everyone who's starting out, how to do support resistance. More in-depth stuff on how we actually trade and everything. The seminars are in there as well. Do you do Wolf already? No, I didn't, but I actually like that play. Well, I did. I don't know how it is doing now. It was a very solid setup. Yeah, this thing's bullish. Look here. Very strong setup. But it's finding an area of resistance here, but I still like it. It looks good. Need 330 break above, then you can continue go up. Nothing on it yet, though. I mean, I don't know. It still looks good. Do you decide which 2, 3? Yeah, I do. So look, guys, it's very simple. So yeah, I can tell you exactly how I find my trades. It's very simple. There's no cheat code. There's nothing hidden. Here it is. I simply go onto this website. It's Webull.com. You can go into investing.com. There's loads of other websites. I just use Webull because that's what I've been using. I click on that every single morning when the market opens, pre-market opens, which is at 4 a.m. Eastern. But I live in Dubai, so it's lunchtime here, 12 p.m. All I do is I watch and I wait. I see, okay, which plays are running. I refresh the page every 30 minutes until market open. Once market is open, I have about 30 of those runners on my watch list here on the left. You can see what will happen is all I do is I wait for market open. Out of those 30 plays, maybe only 3 or 4 are holding. Okay, meaning the other ones have dumped. There's no volume, whatever the reason is. Then I will just focus on those 3 or 4 plays. They still have the volume. Once they pull back into my entry, that is where I look for my plays. That is what I do every single morning. There is always news. Always news on these runners. That is how I trade every single morning. That is why I don't care about the news. I don't care about anything about the stock. So that is how I do it. Check the popular gain, it's most volume. That's correct. Do I like GWAV? Yes, I do like GWAV. I'm not trading it, but yes, I just share it for everyone. I expect it to continue to go up, but it's already around 15% when I mentioned earlier. SLNA, everyone is emotionally attached to stock. Please remove your emotions when you're trading. This thing is in demand zone. That is all you need to know. Demand zone, yes. Like it up. Like. How do you decide how much it should cover first? What do you mean by that? When to enter GWAV? You can enter when you are happy, brother. But if you're trying to look for an entry, I would wait for probably around here is good. We'll see. I haven't done. I did do Swin, but I think it was like a dump. It dumped right off the news. So Swin, yeah, nothing on Swin. Absolutely nothing. 84% down 4% today. Avoid. When to enter for GWAV? You did Swin already. No. Do I have a progo? Anyone can. Someone else can use their promo code. So you can choose Yi if. Actually, wait. I'll give you a code. Give me a sec. I'll do it. I'll give you one now. Let me find someone. First person to drop their Weevil. Whoever drops their first one in the Discord, I'll send it to them, and you can use theirs. I'll give it to you now. Give me a sec. Whoever sends it can do it. They can have it. I use Weevil just for pre-market, and then I trade on my broker in Dubai. You said FFI needs to cover 135. I don't really understand. Okay, so to make it very easy for you to understand, it means there is a support and a resistance. Okay, I'm sure you've heard that in trading. If a stock breaks a resistance, okay, that just means that if it breaks above a resistance, there is a higher probability it will go up. If the stock breaks below support, there is a higher probability it will go down. Look here, FFIE. What is happening right now is exactly what I'm explaining to you guys. This is a resistance level. Every time it gets to the resistance, it is rejecting. So we know now if it gets to this point, it's probably what? Going to push down. However, if the stock closes above this level, 135, there is a higher probability it will continue where? So probably around 160 on FFIE. So FFIE is looking very good. However, you have to wait for this closure, right? That is your determination. You can determine it on the 5 minute, 1 minute, whatever you decide. And then once that happens, then you can look for an entry. That is what it means. Trying to close above 135. All right, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord in a minute. Welcome, members. There's about, whoa, we got a lot of people, 6, 7 of you guys. Nice, well done. Let's see who dropped their link. Squirrel did it. All right, here's the link. I got you. Okay, here is. Here's the promo link. Oh wait, did Hassi give it? Oh, Hassi gave one. All right, there. There's a promo code there given. Join Discord. Welcome, Nitin. Welcome. All right, guys, no problem. Discord link. Discord link is right here, guys. Also, one thing to mention. I don't like going on about the Discord all the time, but people ask me all the time, and I will explain it since we have most people in here. It's very easy. Okay, guys. We do not have a Telegram. We do not have anything else. WhatsApp, none of that BS. We only have a Discord. It's in myself and Hassi's Discord name, YouTube, Twitter name. Okay, myself, Tigerline Trades, and Hassi's is Hassi Trades. There are so many spammers and fake people, right? So just ignore it. Please only click on us. You will know by the followers and you can see by the interactions. That's how you will know it's us. Okay. The difference between Twitter and Discord, people always ask. Twitter, I just share charts and setups. Okay. Yes, most of them go up because those are the charts I expect to go up. I try and teach you guys the charts that are bullish, that have a high probability of going up. However, just because I post them on Twitter, it does not mean I'm in. If myself or Hassi enter any trades, okay, with alerts, stop loss entries, all those targets, that is given in the Discord, okay? We also simply just do live seminars. We do all the educational stuff in there. Everything that you want to learn basically on how we trade, that is where everything is. We have a great community there. We have a lot of great traders as well. It's no pump and dump. If you're doing any other stuff, you're gone for sure. Quick. But we are here to teach everyone. That's it. So yeah, up to you guys. If you want to join, feel free to join. I hope that is clear for everyone. How do you determine when to sell? Whatever stock, whatever price I buy stock at, $100, $2, $3, my first target is always 5% from my entry. Once I'm up 5%, I will sell 50% of my entry, of my 50% of my position. So if I buy 100 shares of a stock, I will sell 5, at 5%, I'll sell 50 shares. And then if it goes up, I will keep scaling out as I go. That is where I determine. I do not determine because of support resistance, because someone on Twitter told me. None of that BS, right? Anyway, I'm going to head in to the Discord. All right, the Discord link is right here, bro. It's the WAP link. So once you click on the WAP, you will be able to sign up there. Click claim access once you're in there, and then you will automatically have an account or create an account for Discord. Everything is then Discord once you've joined. Either myself or Hassi will send you a DM on Discord. Just send you a starter package to follow, watch the video to understand how the alerts work, and so on. It's pretty simple, but yes. All members, I will catch you guys in a bit. Myself and Hassi will be on live trading. We will see you guys there. Have a great day, everyone. Please remember, market is closed on Monday. I'm only trading for probably an hour today, and then I'm heading out because it's a short week. So yeah, catch you guys